Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this ANDYCINE or ZGCINE charging case for GoPro Hero battery. This is supposed to fit for the Hero 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so all of the new style GoPros. And the model type is PS-G10. So for me that's something really new, very interesting device. I've never seen something like that. I mean, I have seen already quite some charging cradles for GoPro batteries, but none of them had a built-in battery. And it's not just a built-in battery which you can use for the GoPro batteries to charge, but you can use it also for everything else. You can use it to charge your phone when you're out in the woods and trying to shoot some nice footage, so you don't have to bring your own power bank. You can use this one to charge the GoPro and even use your smartphone. You just need this one, and this fits then for everything else. That's a really amazing solution, I would say. I think a really good idea. So let's open it, see what we get. Yeah, here's some support information regarding the email and website, so it's not just like a no-name. They have really their website and their support, and here we see the user manual, but of course it's not a big deal. It's very easy to use. I think we have the specs here somewhere. I hope it's focusing so you can see everything. I mean, it's not rocket science, but maybe I can show you that for a couple of seconds and maybe it can help to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you lost your instructions. And what's really important here, that we can see this lot of protection: temperature protection, over voltage protection, output anti-reverse protection, battery overcharge protection, short circuit protection, and on and on and on. So many things, really nice. So this is what we get. So we get the USB-A to USB-C charging cable and the USB-C to USB-C. And you will see the reason why, because we have in the back, we have this USB-C input and output and this normal USB-A output. This is really nice here, and yeah, it looks really nice, very solid. And let's open it and see what we get here. So this is where we put the batteries. So we just have to charge it, and we can use any USB-C cable, absolutely no problem. We can see the charge here. That's below, that's the charge of this device, of this power bank or charging station here. And on top we have the charge indication of the GoPro batteries. So here I have the two different sizes of the GoPro Hero Black. I mean, this is the Hero 7, this is the Hero 10 Black, and as far as I know, we had the smaller size batteries from the Hero Black 5 to 8 and from 9 to 10, and probably also following GoPros will have then a little bit a larger size. And the smaller size of the older batteries are the reason why we need these adapters, which we had already stored here inside. And so we have to match and align this here. You can see same shape here, and we have to slide the flap here through the opening in the top, and we have a match here. And so now we can put it inside as a normal battery. We put the old one here to the right side and the full size new one here on the left side. To see this, we have to lift it up a little bit, and hopefully you can see that. I mean, on the camera it's maybe a little bit difficult, but I hope you can see the left steady red light for the left slot here, and the other one here on the right side steady red also for the right battery. This means that they are charging, and after they have been fully charged, the red lights will turn off. So if you add GoPro batteries here inside and you don't see red light, this usually means that they are already fully charged and no charge is needed. So this button is usually not needed. To turn it off, you can push 2 times and 1 time to turn it on, and it will start charging again. What's also good here at the same time, well, the batteries, the GoPro batteries are charging. We can still charge this cradle. You can see that here at the same time. So we have pass-through charging. That's really impressive. And at the same time, while this is charging, we can also use this USB output, and I can start this. So you can see the power here. So we have everything exactly at the same time. this cradle is being charged, and now the GoPro batteries are being charged, and also this thing is running, which could be your phone or anything else which is charged as well, or just consuming USB power. So very impressive device, very useful, so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.